Okay, hello everyone. Today we will continue to view our projects. Today my project we will view the my journal session. And for summary, this is my portfolio. I just built it by Vue.js and for front end and so still exists Tailwind for the front of CSS and I think I built a lot of session, and today we will move to the next session. It's my journal, and actually I'm not a designer, so I'm just follow up another framework and apply for my portfolio. Okay, so today I will focus on the my journal, and maybe I will clone this session, and I refer from the Hanga cell. Okay, let's move on. The first thing, let me see. Currently, is my ambush is my journal on the home view. Okay, this is my journal. This is something we can remove that on the my journal. This is the component of my journal. On that, I just build some symbol HTML element. And sorry about that. I'm using SCSS for my project. I'm not using Tailwind because I would like to remember some classes as I would like to remember that with the Tailwind I cannot remember the class CSS. So I would like to improve my skill CSS. So I'm using SCSS. Okay. uh, for the genre. Okay, currently we have the title here and we have the true cast here and its cast we have the different image with the different size. You see that, and when we zoom on that, when we hover on each image, it will zoom a little bit. Okay, it has some animation here. Okay, so I understand the behavior. So let's continue. Let's apply it for my project. Currently, I have the title here, my journal, and okay, it's my journal, and now I will create a deep elements with class the journals. Okay, currently on this journals, we will have two cast, right? On this cast, we have okay, um, we will have the two casts here. There is on I will boost the class here with the cast. Okay. On this cast we will have the image, right? We will have the image. Okay. And image, and then we have the okay title. Let's say we have the title and the subtitle. Okay. Uh, I will put like that this information info here, and on that we will have the title and main title. Okay, title and main title. Okay. Let me put the classes as for this because I believe that we should improve the CTS for each span here. So we should separate the style of each span by class. Okay, let me naming for this span is a title, and another bar and another span is the subtitle. Okay. And we will have the forecast, right? So I will clone that to forecast. And I know that we should refresh the Discord here, but let's do it later. After we have the complete after we completed the session, then we will refresh that we can move. For example, we will move this session here to another components like uh, cast journal, some kind like that. We can do that, and now just try to complete this. Everything's on this session. Okay, so let's me clone us to forecast. Okay, and Yeah, and yeah, and now we choose styling for this component for the class journal, and currently I'm using SSS. So this is the format code for the SSS on a journal. We use this live flash, and we can apply some padding. As you can see, that's on Hangar. That's zero. We have some padding here. Okay, so let's apply some padding. And for the bed in dry and bed in left, we can style our system. I think system switch so is enough. And for the bed in top and bed in button, we can you about 20 bit so is enough. Okay, and okay, and let's apply some graph for each card. And then I think the graph here can be 10 pixel, 10 for graph, and oh, okay. I think we in this case we can use grid. We can apply the grid in this case, and the grid less. Okay, I think I don't understand the uh, format. So let's try. Let's get help from the GitHub cost by loss. I think the repeats. Let me see repeats. Oh, here we have mm, three. I think the four. We have four gaps, all right? And so we will auto grid with the four column. Uh, I'm not sure the format cost. Let me wait maybe. Let me try to search from the we'll go for Tywin grid column. Okay, here we go. Grid then let's column for this for min max. Okay, okay, and we can continue to develop everything. Then just see this. We'll see is what we have on the browser. And now we can come to the we can develop for the cast. Okay. Uh, As you can see, that's GitHub cost file loss, and so suggest me something, but I don't want to implement that. I would like to cost everything by myself because this is my portfolio, so I want to do everything with. I don't want to get help from the GitHub cost by loss. Okay. For the cards, we can also we can use place for this guy this live flash, and so graph is a tense, and so the tense bit choice enough. And um, we also have uh, we also have three elements inside the cards, right? We have the image. Okay, we have the image. So let's style in for this image. I think to style in for the image is very important to implement the object fix. And in this case, we should use the object fix cover to make sure the image on white scale on this card. Uh, and also we no, I think no need to implement whip in height. Just object fix covers enough for the image. And and another styling is title. For the title, we can implement some things like font size, font weight, or line height, or in this case, let me check the styling on the handguard. That's zero. On the handguard, that's zero. The title is a lot of small. As I see that we have the font size. It's only about I think this is the 16 pixel font size 16 pixel. Okay. And the line height. I'm not sure whether we should implement line height or not. I think okay. Let's implement line height. Line height one. That's fine. And font weight. I think we can do font weight 600. And try to implement the same with the subtitle. Okay, with the subtitle, we will have the we will implement the smaller text for the subtitle. And okay, for the card, we should implement place direction. In this case, we will implement place direction column. Uh, okay, and here we go. We already developed everything, and now let double check on the browser. You can see that we have the title. Oh, we forgot to embed this the image. Okay. Um, I think I forgot how to implement image on the Vue.js. Let me try to check this on the Google. Yes, how to embed this image on Vue.js. I don't want to see on the test overflow. I want to see the answers on the home page of Vue.js. Vue.js image or Vue3 image. Vue3 image so okay. Oh, we don't have the home page of Vue3. Mm, oh, here I think here we go. Uh, let me just image functional image. For the functional image. Mm, uh, okay, I think we to implement the image on Vue 3, we will do the same when we do on the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Just try to embed the string, link with it a string on the src is enough. Okay, so uh, let me try. Okay, so yes, we will implement that by dot slash dot dot slash dot slash. Uh, let me download the image and embed this on the and store it on my published image. Okay, we have the similar. Let me change the name. Um, let, we should rename. For example, I will change this to the journal one. This one will be journal true. This one will be journal three, and the final is the journal four. Okay, so let's copy everything on the my published image folder. Uh, okay, and then try to embed this image on the website. Public. I'm not sure, but I think we can embed this by dot slash and image and journal one, two, three, journal three. That's web B. Okay, let's change this journal one, journal two, and journal four. Okay, let's see what will happen on the website. Or we can it's wrong image. Um, source that's carbon session. Oh, I know the root cause. Just try to the reference should be the image, nothing to boot dots slash before the image, just image is enough, and then slash and then the hash of the image behind the image. Okay, here we go. And then try. I think we can try to implement some border for the image. Let's come to the styling, and then we can implement the uh okay let's border border. Check it down. Let's check it down on the handguard and SEO. They apply the border for the image. Okay, border radius. Um, I think 16 visual is enough, and we forgot to I forgot to styling for the glass info. For on the info, we also use this flash auto. We can use display flash and flash direction column. Maybe we can implement some machine stop because as you can see it's on the Hangara.co, we have some spacing between the info and the image. So we can in this case we can implement some machine stop. Okay, let's set that and see what happened on the browser. You can see that we are smart done. Just try to style in a little bit, and I believe that we will done this just in 30 minutes, just in the next 30 minutes. Okay, so now and you can see that we on Hangara.co on the referral side we are last to implement the animation zoom in and zoom out. So let's try to do that. Uh, when so you can see the behavior when the animation only start if we hover on the image. So let's try to implement the animation with the event hover on the image. Okay, so on the image, let's try to um, implement the hover. When we hover, what will be happen? When we hover, it will be scale, right? Scale. I think one dash two is enough. And don't forget to implement transition because it's very important to implement transition. Otherwise, the animation is very fast. Just try to implement transition. When please remember that when we apply the animation, don't forget to implement transition. Okay, let's just what happened. Oh, I think just is enough one. That's one. Okay, and scale try to um, custom the speed of the transition. I think 1 second. Oh, you can see. Oh, very it's very good. Now yeah, it's very good. We have the animation zoom now, and take a look on the space between the cast. Uh, it's too small, so we can try to implement that by increasing the gaps. Okay, I think the gap is 20 bits, so it's enough. Let's try let's update this on the styling, and here we go. It's beautiful now, and another thing we should do is about the data. You can see that currently have got the data, so we can implement we can enhance that by you uh, by implement by move it to a variable. Okay, let's try to do that. Strip. I'm not sure the format cost. Let me refer another component. Mm, strip setup lan ts. Okay, strip setup lan ts. Strip. Okay. Let's define a variable to store on the data for the cast. You can see that the GitHub cost file loss suggests me a variable to store the data for forecast. But to save the time, I will use this suggestion because of course, I can do that. I can do that, but I want to set the time. So let's try to get help from the GitHub cost file loss. Okay. The journal we have the journals later now, and now try to display this on the browser by your smart. Let me follow the another. Let me refer the the way how to look how to look for a render. Okay, we have the Taskly and V4 in V4. Okay. Mm, uh, we have the V4 here. Um, V4 item dot comma index in journalist journals data, and yeah, we should have a case, uh, and the reason why we should have a key, that's on the Mm, when we use the renders by map, we should hit the key to the DOM. DOM can be detect or uh, um which elements or which element should be of this. If we don't have the keys, then when we do anything change on any record, then it will change on of the item. So we don't want to do that. So we should have a key to have the browse to have the Vue.js they test which record should be of this. Yeah. And for the key, we can use the index item dot id, and now we can render the s by I'm not sure the format. Mm, wait me a bit. I need to check. I need to double check on the another I need to refer from another component because actually I don't remember the format course on the Vue.js. Just when we have any problem, just try to research to implement. I don't want to remember everything. Okay. Oh, I know that we should have this format here and here, and then to item dot image, item dot image, and okay, sys image item dot image. Okay, and for the title, we can use this way to render reactive variable item dot title, item dot main title, that's subtitle, sorry, subtitle, and then here we go. We can render. We can look to render a cast by Vue.js, and now we can remove the rest element that we don't need to that we don't that's duplicated. Okay, uh, let's see what will we have on the browser. Is let me change something here. Uh, title one. Here we go. We can hit the title one. So now we can clone the data from here. Okay. So this because as I told you, this is my portfolio. So I can try to update these data by myself. It will resend the journal of myself. Okay. For the title on the journal, I think I will use my journal from the uh, from my from six uh, from 6 years old to now. The title, uh, okay, 6 years old, and the subtitle still a chill student. Okay, some kind like that. And another title is um this class. Okay, and s- and night class, for example, night class and good student, good the best student, the best student uh, is my school for physical. Because uh, for physics, because when I at the night class, I'm study very I'm I'm study physics very good. So I think this is one of my journal. And the second is the universities, and the subtitle is not to no money to do anything. Okay, because when I still study when I still study at the universities, I don't have too much money to do anything. Um, I just study. I just at home. I just stay at home, and I don't have too much uh, money to go around with my friend. Okay, the title uh works. Oh, it's okay because my Lord is very smart. It's miss me very much. They success me very much my version jobs as a developer. Okay, okay, it's good now. Mm. And another thing is about the space between the space. Okay, okay. So I think of just try to implement the stylings of the title. Don't forget to custom that. For my genre, let me see containers, my genre title. We can implement some things like the font size. Okay, okay, here we go. We already have. Oh, don't forget the responsive. Uh, this is the screen. That is the mobile screen. So when we on the mobile screen, we can try to we can custom we can cust we can try to responsive. Uh, for the first things we should implement responsive is the journal class. Let's use the media in min width 768 with the grid stem less column is the true uh, in padding. Okay, it's good now. Uh, this is the mobile, and this is the PC iPad tablet. Okay, so I think this is everything we can do for today. We try to we try to prefer a session from the Kanga.co and try to implement for my website, and we implement we custom the styling and we implement the animation. So I think now we can that is everything we can do for today. Okay, bye bye.